amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and I'm really excited about washing my hair. Oh, it's time for me to wash my hair. And of course, I'm jumping in with Soultanicals. And today's going to be a first for me because I am going to try the Honey I Shrunk the Frizz Strand-Poo bar. And I say it's a first because I have never in my life tried a shampoo bar. This is going to be super exciting. It's considered a hair and scalp massaging shampoo bar. How do you use them? So you're supposed to rub it into your hair, massage it to produce lather, and and how you would normally shampoo. So it'll be interesting to do this in my closet. I have not pre-pooed. It's been a long day, it's later in the afternoon, I want to get my wash going, so no pre-poos today. And let's just jump in and get the hair wet. So normally I don't like to appear on video with towels and stuff, and I try to keep it streamlined as pretty as possible. But because I feel like my hair really needs to be as close to soaking wet as I can have it, given the fact that I'm sitting inside my closet, that's why I'm using a towel. So let's jump in. I opened the packaging. This smells so amazing. Like a tart apple, I think. Let's get into it. I've been dying to try it. Is it lathering? Starting in the back. I feel shampoo-y. I can't see it. But I'm just going to massage it at the scalp level and throughout the hair all over. It's interesting. Ooh. I think it's lathering. I'm excited. Actually, this is a very good ecological way to create product, especially shampoos and conditioners. You don't have to waste so much with packaging and plastic. Given the state of the planet, this is a great option and a great way to go. And this is my first time doing a shampoo bar. This is so exciting for me. I'm a little overwhelmed because I'm doing it like this in my closet, so I come across as ditzy. Wow. Let me just make sure I am completely covered. You can't ever have enough shampoo. That's my thing. You can never have too much shampoo, and you can't ever get that scalp clean enough, and the hair, just go for it. I have been dying to shower and wash my hair. This moment is so welcome, and I'm actually super excited to see how this does because I'm on a shampoo hair journey. I have not been reacting really well to a lot of the shampoos that I was using before, and I was mainly using Apogee because I did the whole protein thing with them. I don't do it anymore. I now do K18. You can view that video here. Most shampoos, especially sulfate-based shampoos, were just leaving my hair a tangled hay-like mess, and I'm really excited because I've been doing really well with the Soultanicals shampoos. And the cool thing about this, as Julie, my friend on Instagram, also known as Misty Blue 1922, pointed out, is that if you travel, this is a very cool way to take shampoo with you because it doesn't really add much weight and you have a lot of product that is gonna last you a long while. So great for traveling. I thought that was such a great point. It wouldn't have crossed my mind. So that is like a huge plus. Okay, now I'm past the super drippy stage of things, so the towel was safe to remove. And now I like to massage my shampoos in with a Tangle Teaser. I did look in the mirror. It doesn't look like I have much on my hair, but it does feel nicely coated in the shampoo, and I feel a lather when I touch it, but I don't see it. I mean, you can see I have product in there. So it'll be really interesting to see what kind of a clean I get, and do I have to go in one more time? I mean, that's never a big deal. You can always go in twice. On my previous wash, I feel like I had a lot of buildup from the styler specifically. You can view that video here. And then I always like to cap it off with my Vanity Planet massager. That actually hit the spot. My hair already, I haven't washed it off, and it feels so fresh, especially after like digging in with the massager. Like I want to keep going at it. I'm gonna wash it off and see what the verdict is. I am really curious. This was easy, and I feel like it's gonna be like the most exhilarating process if you're in the shower with like properly soaking wet hair and just like going at it and massaging it in. It felt really nice, actually. It felt really nice to go into the hair with a bar of shampoo. I didn't think it would. I thought it was gonna be like annoying, but versus like liquid and like and then just massaging it in, it felt really good. I'm gonna wash it off, and the verdict is I washed it off and it felt amazing, but I thought, let me try it in front of the mirror. So I left my hair really wet, and look, sudsy. See, it would make a difference if I was in the shower. So I'm just going at it a second time for the sake of proper documentation of this experience. I love this. Look at this lather. What did I do the first time? This is awesome. I am obsessed with this lather. I have made such a mess in my bathroom. The bar of shampoo slipped out of my hand, fell on my closet floor. I'm looking at a mess that I have to clean up. But this, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my god, I really sucked that first time around, and I'm so glad I went back in because I was not giving you a proper depiction, representation, review. This is incredible. This feels so good. I am gonna have like the cleanest hair. Oh my god. Like, I seriously am considering just buying the bars of shampoo from now on from Soultanicals, because it's gonna last me a while, a long while. So every time I order product, I can just order a bar of shampoo. Best way to go. If this is it, this is gonna be like the conclusion of my shampoo journey, man. I'm into it. So let's try this again. And the verdict is, I love it. I love it. I am so blown away. The first time, even when you didn't see that much lather, my hair was equally clean. Now the second time, holy crap, squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. I can't begin to tell you how much product buildup I had. Feels so good, and I'm actually really excited because I had the perfect base to continue my wash with. Woo! This is amazing. You know, it'd be cool though. It would be cool that if instead of, but I mean, then it would be plastic, but you can reuse it. Like, instead of this box, cardboard box, it came with like a little nice plastic container, or like you guys sell them for us to buy. So then we buy it once, and then you guys can still sell this way, because then I'm guessing this way the product is cheaper, packaging, But like, if you could make available like some type of holder for your soaps, plastic container, I mean, like, we can probably have those in our bathrooms, but if it could be Soultanicals, why not? And that way it could also be a case for when we travel with this amazing shampoo. Now I really want to travel. Like, normally I don't like to wash my hair when I travel. This would make it so easy to wash my hair when I travel. Also, I have to check and see, do you guys have deep conditioner bars? Because if you have deep conditioner bars and I don't have luck to lug around deep conditioners with me when I travel, I am sold. I never in my life thought I would enjoy a shampoo bar, and I see those videos, people are like, oh wow, this is amazing. I'm like, yeah, whatever. They're right, this is amazing. But try the Soultanicals one. Honey, I Shrunk the Frizz Strand-Poo bar is a win. That's it. That's it. Didn't this look fun? I even had fun in my closet washing my hair. And it's easier than other shampoos because I'm not going to drip it everywhere, aside from my hair being soaking wet. But anyway, you know what I mean? Amazing. Soultanicals, y'all are hitting it out of the park always and forever. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm gonna shut up. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.